Whether it is transferring information from one Excel sheet to another, converting between different file types, or cleaning up your downloads folder content. I'm sure you're familiar with daily and reoccurring boring tasks that you would choose not to do if you could. Hi, I'm Tim from School of Automation, and our mission is to help you understand how you can leverage automation to optimize the time you spend doing these repetitive and boring automatable tasks. With the School of Automation, we want to provide you with a go-to digital place to learn about diverse topics of automation, such as social media bot creation, automated testing and security testing for your projects, workflow optimization for game engine asset pipelines, and of course, the automation of different repeatable day-to-day tasks. The best part about it is that we cover topics at every level, so it doesn't matter if you're just starting out to learn about automation or you're already familiar with the concepts. Our YouTube channel and free resources will help you get started, while our in-depth video courses and books will take your knowledge and understanding to the next level. If you're interested in automation, this is definitely the right place to be. So go ahead and check out our YouTube channel with hours of free content, the blog on our webpage, and the free version of our ebook, Automating Social Media Interactions. If you want to deep dive right in, make sure to check out the extensive video courses and the books on our platform, schoolofautomation.com, which I'll link up here. There already is so much boring and repetitive work out there. We want to learn how we can automate that away and focus on the fun and interesting stuff. So let's not waste any time and get right into learning about and understanding the art of automation. I'll see you around.